Hey there friends, I'm back again with the new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to find scholarly articles using Google Scholar. Are you working on a school project or conducting research on a specific topic? Google Scholar is here to help you discover high-quality academic articles that can take your work to the next level. Let's dive in with an example. Imagine you're exploring the impact of social media on mental health. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Scholar website. To open Google Scholar website, just search scholar.google.com. After that, you have to type in your keywords like social media effects on mental health. After you hit enter, a list of scholarly articles related to your topic will appear. So let's say you find an article titled The Role of Social Media in Shaping Adolescent Well-Being. Click on the title to read the abstract, which gives you an overview of the article's main points and findings. Look for links to access the full article. Sometimes you might be able to view it directly, or you might need to access it through your school's library. And that's it. You've learned how to use Google Scholar to uncover valuable scholarly articles for your research. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to find scholarly articles using Google Scholar. See you on my next video. Remember, the knowledge you gain from well-researched articles can make a real difference in your understanding of a subject. Google Scholar empowers you to access the wisdom of experts and enhance your own learning journey. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll be here to guide you along the way. Happy researching!